Okay, so it was a great Christmas light fight at ABC. It was on last Monday, December 17th, I believe. We were here.
We were the last one for the year. Unfortunately, we didn't win, but that's okay. We really didn't do this to get on TV. We did it, right feet in spirit, raising money, for charity while we're doing it. We didn't do that the first year, but then people said, "Why don't you put some donation buckets?" So we said, "You know what? Yeah, we'll do it, but we'll give it to charity." So that's what we did.
And what are the charities you're donating to?
This year, we were doing the Montgomery County chapter of the Special Olympics, and we're actually donating to the One House at a Time Beds for Kids program.
Now these, you can actually buy these in the store?
Yes, these are all bought online. I have two places, Christmas Done Bright and Holiday Light Store, both great companies, and they sell all this.
Do they make like custom designs too?
They will, yes, they will. They made the volleyball scene, which is kind of hard to see, but you'll see it on your way out. My daughters, three of my daughters play volleyball, so I asked them to make it, and they did, and then they marketed it.
Very nice. Well, thank you for having us out. We wish everybody out there a happy holidays.
Happy holidays, Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Thanks
Merry
for stopping by.
Christmas.
Appreciate it.